I'm Elder Celine, and I'm a cat.
I'm Elder Erickson, I'm a crab.
I'm Sister Cope, and I'm a penguin.
I'm Marmalade, and I'm a panda.
I'm Elder Thomas, and I'm a hippo.
I'm a koala. I'm Elder May, I'm a fox. I don't know what a fox does.
They're like me.
I'm Elder Billy, and I'm a meerkat.
I'm Elder Milton, and I'm an eagle.
I'm Elder Kuzuna, and I'm a clownfish. I'm Elder Kodama, and I'm a platypus. I have no idea what that is.
Have you ever seen Perry the Platypus?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
I'm Sister Wynn and I'm a dolphin. But they swim mostly.
How do they swim?
They swim like
Use your body.
they swim like this.
Use your body. No cheating. No, you gotta go that. You gotta do it. Do it.
I swim like this.
Okay, how do they swim?
They swim like this.
Yes.
I'm Sister Madison, and I'm a hyena.
I'm Elder Guard, and I'm an endangered species. Help.
Okay, I'm Elder Allen, I'm a Komodo dragon. I'm not sure what sound they make, but don't get bit by one or else you get blood poisoning from it. So, simple life.
I'm a giraffe.
Stick your tongue out.
Pick your nose with your fork.
My name's Aramasi, I'm a horse.